Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new or it's your first time seeing my face, hello, I'm ArieNickole, and for today's video I'm going to be putting on this wig for the very first time. Just a heads up, this wig was already, the knots were already bleached for me, the lace was already tinted for me, it was already like on me. I wore this hair to prom, I just didn't install it myself. I bought it off of Amazon, and if I do have that info and specs on it, I will definitely leave it in the description box down below. But I believe that it's just 20 inches of hair, I believe 20 or 22. Like I said, if I find the information, I will leave it in the description box below. But yeah, just keep on watching if you want to see how I put on this wig for the very first time, because it does not look that bad. Alright, see you on the video. I want you to ride. I want you to ride. I'm about to try and put on this wig, this little Amazon wig. If I, remember the details or whatever, because I got this hair for prom, and I really don't know the name of the brand or anything like that, because I just want something on top of my head. I don't really care. But I went to Walmart in the beauty supply store. And I got some stocking cap, and I had already had this from Chas. She gave me that, but then I bought some of this, and that's pretty much all you need. And I got a blow dryer already. Got some scissors, and I had already pushed my edges back. Okay, had to make sure it's recording. So I guess you just put this on. Now low-key can't see because my phone's in the way of my mirror. I don't know, I think I want to put y'all right here. Yeah, I can see some stuff. The cool beams. Is this gonna fit my head? I don't think it's gonna fit my head. So all them YouTube videos told me I'm doing a stocking cap like this, so I gotta put holes right here, I guess. Okay, this is so stupid. Okay, so now I guess I just spray this. Okay, I think that's all I need. And then I guess I'll just blow dry it. Alright, so I think it's dry. Oh, wait, I was watching this one girl, and she was like, put your color, like your makeup on your, put the makeup on your cap. Yeah. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation that I have. It's matte. This is actually a little darker than me. Alright, so I'm gonna try and put these flaps down. Well, this side over here is not that bad, but on this side, I'm gonna just try and do that real quick, and then I'm gonna come back. Might have to cut this off. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut that off. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, so I'm going to get some 91% alcohol and a cotton ball. Just gonna wipe my perimeter because I do have on makeup. Alright, so next thing I'm going to do is put on some Got To Be glue, the black one, obviously. And I was told that you really don't need a lot, you just need like a very thin layer. So I'm going to do a thin layer. So I just forgot a whole step, and that was putting on the wig, but it's okay. I don't know if I'm supposed to apply it while it's a little wet. I don't know. Is this tacky? I guess this is tacky. I don't know. We're just gonna apply it anyway because we don't have anything better to do. It doesn't look too bad, actually, but let me try to get it together some more. Alright, y'all, so my phone was like, oh, I didn't have any more storage, so I had to like delete some apps and stuff. But I did my edges and all that. So yeah, now I'm about to style it, but I'm gonna style it off camera because I really don't know what I'm doing, and I want to be able to film an outro and an intro. So I'll see y'all when I come back. Alright guys, so I finished styling it. I just put like a bunch of curls in it, and I did a little bang because who's trying to show these edges? Because them edges don't look right, so we gotta hide them. This is the side that looks pretty decent, So I'm like, okay. This hair wants to be in the middle part so bad. I don't know how to get rid of it. I might have to just like put some heat on it. I don't know, I didn't think that far. But I actually like it for my first time. You know, I don't think lace frontals are for me, maybe just regular sew-ins. But this is cute. I like it for my first time. But alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you all enjoyed. Please comment, like, and subscribe for me if you haven't already, because you don't want to miss out on anything that I post. Okay. Plus, I'm going to start back my back to school series. I have school next week, and I'm just trying to get everything in order before I, be all over the place. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all.
I want you to ride. I want you to ride for me. I want you to stay down. Want you to stay down for me. Stay down for me.